Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I'm going to show to you how you can kill your enemy. Look what I did this. You don't believe I did this because I invented to set up this piece of pie there. Look, I have a chicken there. And every time I come here I see your enemy here. And when they see me, they run and hide here. So you see what I have a solid brick there, chimney brick there, and look what I have here. Guy, I'm telling you, I insert this thing here, and I push and I push, and I cut the hair right there. I've been killing too many. And that's the reason I decided to record in this video to show to you guys. This is the best enemy because they eat house, they eat billions of dollars because they go in between the electric cables and boom, fire right there. And look what kind of disaster they have here. You see? I tell you, they eat everything. Look, this is pecan shell. They open, look. Look how they do. All this, they bring the food there and they eat right there in this metal tube there, look. Look, I have one brick there and one brick here. The same. I'm going to use this gun here, look. I have 3 metal screws. You see, guys, it's very easy. You have to invent things. Look, it's right there. Look what I did here. I've been killing too many guys. Look, he's right there. Look. I bet you this is a big elephant. I told you guys, what's an elephant? Look how big it is. Look. Big, right? This guy is the best enemy, the big. Okay, this going to the between the cable guy, the fire right there. Look, and very easy to catch, guy. I've been killing too many this devil here. Look, he has nowhere to go. Look, that's it. Simple like that. Look. You're killing, right? Look at this big elephant. Look at his heart. That's keeping people in the chest. It's a big heart. See how they bomb the blood. Okay, guys, hope you learn this. You have to kill these guys. Very easy. Look, you need a towel, and you know, when you see something around here, look, that means the house with these animals. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hasta la vista, baby.